I am at the Capilano Library, the new one. There's the view, you can see everything. Like in the ravine there. And this is the 3D printer. How a 3D printer works, of course, is there's the nozzle, and it like prints a flat sheet of molten plastic, and then moves up a tiny bit to move the next level, up a tiny bit, next level, and keeps going until it's printed out the entire 3D object. And this stuff here is the same material I believe. Whoop, can't even touch it. Glass door. I'm so stupid. The same stuff that Lego bricks are made out of, apparently. Multicolored. Maybe I'll have to look around to see if I can find something that's been printed. Okay, I use what's it called? Google SketchUp. I think it's called Google Maker now. That's what I use to model stuff. 3D, to make 3D stuff on the computer. I imagine you'd bring your design in, plug it in there, scroll through it here, and then find the one to print, and then print. Oh, and I guess it must be, these must be Apple programs, because there's Apple there. The one I use, oh there we go, software. No Google Maker or Google SketchUp. Oh, Blender. That's a 3D program for designing and graphics. Oh yeah, okay, these are not necessarily Apple, and that's not necessarily Apple. That's not Autodesk. I've used that before, Autodesk, AutoCAD.